Good morning, everyone. From ABC 13, I'm Tom Cook.
And I'm Erica Simon in for Samika Knight. Here is the latest news. An overnight chase in Houston stretched from near the West Loop to the Montrose area. When it was over, officers found a bunch of aerosol cans in the suspect's car. ABC 13 reporter Courtney Fisher is on Fairview near Shepherd with the aftermath.
Good morning, Erica. This is the tree that ended the chase. Pieces of that Cadillac right by the trunk. We were there moments after this guy slammed into it. Guns pointed. HPD officers surrounded the Cadillac, yelling at the driver, then pulling him out of the car. Police had been following this man for miles because they say he hit a parked car on Westheimer, then passed out. And when an officer tried to wake him up, he took off. It was a slow chase. At one point, the man backed into a couple cop cars. He'd stop, then take off again. After police threw down spike strips, it was over. And the man wasn't in good shape. Paramedics arrived, gave him oxygen. He had a few seizures and was taken to the hospital.
It appears from looking inside the car, there's a large amount of aerosol cans in there. He's apparently been inhaling the aerosol in order to get high. Right now, he is in some kind of medical distress.
And back out here live, here are the aerosol cans that the lieutenant was just referring to. I should mention that this suspect is going to be charged with several felonies, including evading police and aggravated assault of a police officer. For now, reporting from Montrose, Courtney Fisher, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
I'm Catherine Marchand in North Harris County. This is where a man was arrested for stealing an ambulance. Apparently, he was craving some KFC. He stopped there before deputies found him. He hopped into that ambulance outside of a psychiatric facility on Cali. He is a former patient there. And when he came across the ambulance, it was running. He made a few stops, got something to drink, some cigarettes. The sheriff's office approached him at this gas station at Ritchie and Ella, and he said he stole the ambulance because he needed a ride. We're in North Harris County. Catherine Marchand, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.
That's firefighters putting out a motorcycle on fire. The biker lost control as he tried to do a wheelie and he crashed. Then his bike burned on the Katy Freeway overnight. It was along I-10 near the 59 on-ramp. That motorcyclist taken to the hospital for minor injuries. Well, the road to the Super Bowl begins today, the Texans say, at Energy Stadium.
Yeah, the Texans opened their training camp this morning with some pretty high hopes, but some big names on the sidelines will not be there, including superstar J.J. Watt. Watt sent out a tweet a short time ago. Year 9, day 1, hashtag DBWH, which is dream big, work hard. ABC 13 reporter Jeff Ealing is live at the practice field with the latest. Jeff, good news, the team is back in town.
Hey, I can't believe that we're talking about football already, and it feels like football weather even in the middle of July. Take a look, the signs say it all. Training camp, it is here this year. You know, the last couple of years was in West Virginia because of the weather, but you can't beat Houston right now. It's in the 70s, and I can smell football in the air.
Ready. Football season here. Back at it, man. We never left. Let's go. Go time now. I already know it, back in the building.
Back in the building and ready to hit the field. Texans start their new season right around 9 o'clock. There are some big names, as you mentioned, that will not be on the field today, including J.J. Watt. He had some knee surgery earlier in the year. DeAndre Hopkins also injured his shoulder in the playoffs. Both those players on the physically unable to perform list, but don't worry, they are going to be back at some point. Justin Reed, as you know, is recuperating after a recent traffic accident, sidelined for now. And Javion Clowney, he's not here working through some contract negotiations, but he too is expected to be back before the season starts. So how do you get in on the fun? Well, there are 5 open practices. You can come to watch the team play August 1st, August 3rd, August 10th, August 14th, and August 15th. Now, I got to tell you, you have to have a ticket to see those open camp days and those practice sessions, and you have to register to get those tickets. We got a link on our website, abc13.com, to help you do that. You have to register before 3 o'clock this afternoon. I got to tell you, it's looking good out here. We can't really see in yet, but you know what? That's a deterrent for all those patriots Patriot fans that are trying to come down here and see what's going on behind the big fence here. We're ready to go. I know the Texans are ready to go. It's football time, guys. Let's hear it for you. Reporting live, Jeff Ealing, 13 Eyewitness News.
Can't believe it's here already. Thank you, Jeff. And preseason games look like this. The Texans play their first one in Green Bay against the Packers. That's on August 8th, and we will carry all 4 games right here on ABC 13.
All right, let's get a check of our forecast with Lita Loreska.
All right, some great looking weather for that kickoff of training camp. Temperature readings starting off cool again this morning as we get into the afternoon, getting close to 90 degrees, upper 80s to low 90s in most areas. The only hiccup in our forecast are the higher levels of ozone pollutants, and that's going to place another round of pollution watches for Harris County, Galveston, and Brazoria County. A look for a high today in Brenham of 91 degrees, 91 as well in Sugar Land, closer to the coastline in the upper 80s. Now tonight, temperatures do dip back into the 60s, and then that's it. By Saturday morning, that resurgence of moisture coming in from the Gulf is going to allow those temperatures to warm up again. We're back up in the low 80s in Galveston come Saturday morning. Speaking of the weekend, get ready for a front to work its way back up to the north. That's going to increase our rain chances this weekend. It is not going to be a complete washout, but certainly a few scattered downpours can't be ruled out as those temperatures creep upwards. I think by early next week, we are back up into the mid-90s, which is typical for this time of year. That's going to mean with the air temperature and the humidity, those feels like temperatures once again above 100 degrees. Elisa.
And we are looking ahead to the weekend and some of the major closures that will be there because you don't want to run into those and slow down your weekend plans. Let's take a look at the map. This is going to be a total closure starting Friday night of the North Freeway southbound ramp to the North Belt. So this interchange will certainly be very busy as everything is funneled off to the feeder road. You can also use Greens Road as your alternate route, and that closure lasting until Sunday at 8 p.m.
All right, and that's ABC 13 Eyewitness News for this morning. There is much more coming your way at 7:23.
You can always stay up to date with us on abc13.com and on our mobile app. Have a great day.